As most of you probably know from having seen the beloved Harry Potter films, the mysterious Forbidden Forest is located in the vicinity of Hogwarts Castle, and just behind this wall lies the edge of that very same forest where all sorts of magical creatures live. Tonight, we have the opportunity to see and learn about some of those magical creatures under the care of Rubius Hagrid, keeper of keys and grounds at Hogwarts. Now, I'm not sure what all these boxes and crates are, but I wonder if they have something to do with the care of magical creatures class, which, interesting fact, was actually taught by Hagrid himself. Now, just so that we are all ready for what we are about to experience, we thought it would be a good idea to review some fascinating details about a couple of the creatures we may encounter. Keep your eyes peeled for salamanders. They are fire-dwelling and feed on flames. Now, Cornish pixies are troublemakers and love to play practical jokes, so don't say we didn't warn you. Now, I'm told that if we are lucky, we may see a unicorn. These beautiful creatures possess highly magical properties. We'll also have the opportunity to learn about the fire crab. Did you know that the combination of a fire crab and a manticore creates a blast-ended scroot? And very few people have actually seen a blast-ended scroot. Now, I'd like to welcome two very special guests who definitely know something about magical creatures. Please, welcome to the stage, Evanna Lynch and Warwick Davis. For joining us.
Oh, it's fantastic to be here. How are you all doing? Fantastic.
Everyone excited to go into the Forbidden Forest?
You know, it really is a truly magical evening. Anything is possible. What is that? Does anyone know? Sounds like it's coming from over here! It is! Look! Ladies and gentlemen, it's Tom Felton and Rupert! Hello! We are so happy you could be here.
Oh, it's so exciting.
Yeah.
Thanks, Liam.
Oh, thank you guys. Please, this way. Thank you. I told you anything is possible. Now, ladies and gentlemen, before we enter the Forbidden Forest, here is a special message from Robbie Coltrane.
Good evening to you, one and all. I am excited to welcome you to this new chapter of magic here at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Soon you will embark on an adventure through the Forbidden Forest. Yes, while it may be dark and sometimes dangerous, it is also filled with many magical creatures. Creatures of danger, yes, creatures of wonder. Be sure to hang on to your motorbike, and most importantly, have fun, everyone.
Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, one more round of applause for Robbie Coltrane! He is right. We do need the motorbike for our adventure.
I don't have it. I thought you had it.
Wait, if you don't have it, we don't have it, who does?
Sorry, we're just giving a little test run.
Oh, right.
Well, I think it's definitely time that we see some magical creatures, don't you think?
Yeah, but we may have a small problem. With all these crates and boxes in the way, I'm not sure how we'll get inside.
I'll tell you what, I've got the perfect solution. Now, do you remember Professor Flitwick's charms class? Yes? And how about the spell for levitation or to make objects fly? It's of course Wingardium Leviosa. Now I'm going to need your help. So remember your swish and flick. And after 3, 1, 2, 3, Wingardium Leviosa!
Gentlemen, welcome to Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure.
Ladies and gentlemen, in just a few minutes you can enjoy Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure for the remainder of the evening. Lockers are available to stow your personal belongings or loose articles before entering the attraction. Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, Flight of the Hippogriff, all shops and Ollivanders are also open. And in just a few moments, you'll also be able to enjoy nighttime lights at Hogwarts Castle at 9:30 and 10:20. Thank you and enjoy your evening.